Welcome to Sharon's Kitchen for You, brought to you by Soho Spare.
When I cook, you cook
Just like that. Yes, Mom. Happy holidays.
Holidays. So guess what's going on?
What's
We're
going
getting
on?
ready for All Year's Night. New Year's Eve. We know it's at All Year's Night.
So
All
today's
Year's
episode
Day.
is All Year's Night Lime, right?
Yes, lime Cookup rice
Okay.
with pigtail and smoked turkey. We're gonna do it Guyanese way because you
Okay.
have to have that. It's traditional that you prepare your All Year's Night Cookup rice. It's usually made by at least 6, 7 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yes, I remember.
And you do not eat it until the clock strikes midnight.
Must know that.
Must know that. That's right.
All right, so we have a bunch of different ingredients. So I want to just talk about, we have the peppers, the scallions, the onions, the thyme. I see something new in here. You have bay leaves, which is really good for your gut.
For your gut.
And clearing those oxidants and stuff in there, right? And then we have our black eyed peas. And the black eyed peas is really good, even for people that are anemic.
Black eyed peas is
yes,
good for
and
that.
it helps also with your blood sugar, your blood level.
On your blood levels. And this black eyed peas was brought to us by our ancestors to the Caribbean. You have to have your black eyed peas on All Year's Night. The reason why is because it signifies prosperity and goodness, good moving forward for the future.
I didn't know that.
Everything that's good, yes. So you have to have your black eyed peas to start the New Year's
You
right.
learn something
That's why you
every
can't eat it until 12 o'clock.
Because you won't have prosperity in the new
Exactly,
year.
going forward. That's right. That's right.
I love it. I love
That's
it.
right.
Well, let's get started cooking.
Okay, so we're gonna get the stove lit
Okay.
and we're gonna set the fire to medium heat.
Okay.
And we're gonna have all this sauteed nicely. Then we're gonna add our smoked turkey and our pigtail. We're gonna then add our rice, and then we're gonna add our black eyed peas,
Okay.
and then we're gonna get this Cookup rice started.
And we're gonna stir it.
Right,
So what are you
so
doing?
this is what we're going to be doing right now. I am going to be frying up all the seasoning. Ooh.
High heat, high heat.
Pop, pop. Well, it's All Year's Night preparation, so
Okay.
there's nothing wrong
There was a little bit of fireworks in the pot, right?
for the future.
All right.
All right, so it's
Put
going
that
to,
down for you.
we are going to add the smoked turkey and the pigtail. Don't block the pot. You know, Cookup rice for Guyanese is all the ends of meat that you use during the holidays, like
Okay.
turkey, ham, all that stuff that's left over.
It's time for the rice.
Now it's time for the rice.
Okay, we're gonna add the rice. In America, we use and we say New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. Why in Guyana we say All Year's Night? And
Because it's the last day of the year,
okay,
and everyone is getting ready to start a new year with good luck and everything, prosperity.
Right,
and
good
they're looking
vibrations
forward
the
to
new
some
year.
change or the other for the new year. And New Year's Day, you don't work hard.
New Year's Day you don't work
because if you work hard New Year's Day, you're gonna find yourself working hard for the rest,
of the year. Oh my goodness.
All right, so we're gonna add the black eyed peas.
Black eyed peas. Adding the black eyed
Add
peas.
the black eyed peas
Okay.
to the pot
That you already
that already was
parboiled it already,
parboiled.
so that it's nice and soft. Okay.
We're gonna add this here.
All right. That looks good,
Gonna
Mom.
mix everything in. All right, so now we are going in
Okay.
with the
And
water.
you're adding the water.
Okay.
All right. And you're just
And you
stirring
always
this
want to
up.
make sure you don't put too much liquid, whether you put the coconut milk in
Okay.
from now, because you don't want your rice to be too saggy.
Right.
So you can always
Or like
start
mushy.
off with half of the amount and then
Okay.
add as the rice boils in this mixture.
So Mom, what are you doing?
Okay, so what I'm doing, instead of using the coconut and you squeeze it and you grate it and you squeeze it, the fresh coconut, because I don't cook my Cookup rice with coconut milk like that.
Yes, I do know that.
You know that. So what I'm doing is a little coconut powder.
So I can still get that little
coconut
flavor.
milk powder. I'm going to mix this to some of this water here. Smoothen this in nicely. And when the Cookup rice is almost finished, then I'm going to put this on top and let it simmer for another 10 minutes.
Okay.
And then my Cookup rice should be ready to be served.
Why do you put coconut, any type of coconut flavor or coconut in general?
Because that makes the cook, for some people, if you don't have that, you don't have Cookup rice.
Woo! Can't wait to try
look
this.
At this.
Yes.
Woo.
Yes. Get into that. Oh, get into that. Mom, you have to, come on, get into this. Get into this. Oh my God, smell it. You did such a good job. You did that.
I did it.
Nice work.
We needed some wine here, but
we need
that's
some wine,
okay.
but that's all right. That's all right.
So now we are going to plate.
Okay.
So we're gonna take all this.
Look at that in the steam.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness. Mom, it's steamy in here. Okay? Oh, look at that.
All right. Look at that piece of pigtail coming out.
Oh, yes, Mom.
Oh,
the cucumbers, I added the cucumbers just for nice flavoring. It clears the palate. And a lot of us usually eat cucumbers with the Cookup rice, right?
Nice, yes.
And you put cucumbers that we learned in curry. My mom puts cucumbers in curry. That gives it a nice flavor.
Sweet
so
flavor.
now, today, we're not cooking with the cucumbers. We're just putting it on the side.
With that pepper.
Oh, you got the little
Scotch
bonnet
pepper.
All right. Let's get into this, Mom. I'm gonna take some of the cucumber. Ooh-wee.
This is amazing.
Mom.
Amazing.
This is good.
Get you some Cookup rice for all your life. Lovely.
Mom, you did that.
I did it.
That was really
again
good.
and again and again.
Always, Mom.
Always come true.
Thank you so much for watching Sharon's Kitchen.
Thank you.
Brought to you by Soho Sphere. Like, subscribe, share, and comment below.
Ciao.
Bye for now.